This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by gathering what you need and taking the very first actionable steps. Create a Google account, enable billing, and attach a project. Then install G-Cloud and authenticate. Once done, enable Vertex AI and AI Studio APIs so the platform accepts requests. Make sure to collect and label your dataset, then upload it to cloud storage or BigQuery for fast access. You're already building momentum. Next, you'll prepare models and pipelines that actually run on AI Studio. You now assemble the middle steps that make your app intelligent. In AI Studio, create a training pipeline. Pick a pre-built foundation model or configure a custom training job, then allocate compute and storage. As training runs, monitor loss, accuracy, and logs, adjust hyperparameters if you see overfitting. Once satisfied, deploy the trained artifact to an endpoint, enable model versioning, and configure IAM so only your app can call it. These actions bridge data to production-ready inference. You finish by deploying the model and wiring it into your app. Implement the client SDK or REST calls and authenticate with API keys, OAuth 2, or a service account. Then add batching, caching, and rate limits to control cost and latency. Make sure to validate inputs and expose observability, traces, metrics, and error logs. Test end-to-end and create a rollback strategy. If deployment fails, check IAM permissions and endpoint health first. Incorrect service account scopes are the most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.